So the one of the key trends that I sort of noticed is that in order to reduce the contamination to a certain extent, there are quite a few players who are making their presence felt here in India. So Sicora India, which is one of the companies which has installed a stall out here, they have quite a few machines out here which is able to make ensure that the contamination level is at like micron level itself, and that has a really huge impact. Um, and it looks like there's going to be a lot more competitors for them in this field itself. In terms of the challenges faced, there is always this question of microplastics that was really discussed at length at day one. Um, it's quite possible depending on the lifespan of the pipe itself, the microplastics, it can venture into different ecosystem itself. And as it was suggested yesterday, it has already started to be seen in different areas that was initially not even area of concern. So something it was found in fetus, mother's milk. So that's going to have a huge impact. Additionally, recycling is going to be a huge deal. Uh, at the conventional means of just recycling, that's not going to be enough. We have to look into what's going to be the next big thing. So CPET, a couple of folks from CPET, they had suggested that working with the government to ensure that new standards are evolved just to keep pace with the changing industry standards, regulations. It's quite possible that we might have to, take platforms like SNP to ensure that there is a lot more evolutions, a lot more industry interactions to ensure that the standards are kept abreast with the newer set of like data that are coming up in the market itself. It's been quite fascinating in the sense that I was not expecting that there would be so many different companies, not just like pipe manufacturers. There are like companies that specialize in machine. They actually just import machines as well, and they have like quite in-depth knowledge about it as well. In addition to it, of course, it's always nice to talk with regulators, CPET, and other government officials who have like a lot more in-depth knowledge when it comes to all this. So yeah, that's about it.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
Yeah, thank you again.